This is a video of my Thomas Wooden Railway rare train. Please enjoy. Old Style Thomas, 2 New Style Thomases for 2002, Golden Thomas, Old Style Deadwood, Old Style Henry, Old Style Douglas, Old Style Oliver, Old Style Ben, New Style Stepney, Wilbert, Dustin, and the Blackhawk train. Here are my diesel engines. Bronze DVS diesel, Mavis, Frank, and 2007 Daisy. Here are my narrow gauge engines. Scarloey, 2008 per handle, Old Style per handle, Rusty, Old Style Duncan, and Mighty Mac. Here are my Thomas and the Magic Railroad items. Lady, Splatter, Dodge, and Diesel 10. Here are my rolling stock. Scruffy, Fred, Rickety, Hector, 2 flatbeds, a blue cargo car, barrel car, another blue cargo car, a red tender, a black Brio car, fuel tanker, the breakdown train, a blue car orange, fossil car, a yellow Brio car tanker, the blue hand car, the red soda line caboose, and yellow soda line caboose. Here are my roadway vehicles. Terrence, George, Bulgy, 2001 Butch, Trevor, Forklift, Thumper, Lori 1, Max and Monty, Fiery Flynn, an orange truck, ambulance, fire truck, Sir Topham Hatt blue car, and 8. Here is the railway boat, Bulstrode. Here are the 2 helicopters, Wooden Railway Old Style Herald, and the Superstation Herald, and the Sir Topham Hatt figure, which is all my rare wooden train.